Guys, babukeli be-Identical Force sifikile la bathi umuzi womuntu nakuba wenze i-home base umama wanga ucotshe umuntu bayenze home base angazi uhlala nobaba kwakhe or benzeni so asikhona ukuthola ukuthi kwenzekalani i-old age yes siyavuma yinto ehle abayenza ukuhelebha abogogo mara emzini abantu banganasivumelane esiright nitsho ukuthi into ehle ukuthi ayenze acotshe ubaba umuntu amtshela ukuthi angeke athi the matter it's in the court nasi umuzi womuntu nakho niyawubona guys you can check bacho home base can you check then she closed the gate ukuthi asingeni but the matter it's in the court akusikwakhe mara the matter it's in the court which matter it's in the court you can check manje you can check the house manje ovale igate uthi akuvulwa mara kunabogogo bavalele kanjani kwenzekalani la nabantu abadlelezela abantu ngendlela abazitshela ukuthi bona bakhona ukudlelezela abantu ngendlela yabo baberegise ikani and esizwile bathi kunobaba bathi ubereke ebukhosini sifuna ukuthola ukuthi ubukhosi obunjani ukudlelezela abantu we want to know so then isizwile baba usikhosana ngubaba uNtuli or ngubaba usikhosana siba uphume ngaphakathi guys we are not going to let this thing go like this kuzomela ukuthi siphule and then it's either babona ukuthi this is serious ukhiyelo la kusikwakhe ngapha abogogo bahlezi ngapha bathina abazala baletha abogogo emzini abantu umuntu wakhe umuzi akhele i-home base nithini bomakhelwane ngento yenzekako la nithini ngithatha abogogo nibaletha la endaweni esiso muzi womuntu lo muzi womuntu ubaba abantu akasakhona ungena emzini akhe ngenxa yokuthi batsho bavula i-home base bamcotsha straight so usitshela ukuthi yena the matter is in the court emzini kaba uwakhile umuzi lo asitshela ukuthi the matter is in the court uwakhe esikhathi bani umuzi lo you're telling us that the matter is in the court you can contact the police and they will come here we are not going anyway oh the matter is in the court